Alright, so the bags are packed. The trip is coming to an end. Checking out of the Airbnb. See ya, Saigon. Alright, see ya. Sweet little Airbnb. Let's go. You know what's best.
Your turn.
Okay. What's what? I think I'll have the egg and the chicken.
Chicken?
Chicken.
Okay, one chicken. And breast.
Egg, yeah.
Okay. Một dĩa gà với lại trứng nhé.
Yeah. This looks good, man.
Local brother.
Local, yeah.
You are Vietnamese people.
Done? Which way, this way?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'd come to this bar last year when I came. The alley, right?
Yeah.
Had lunch with Kinn. Now I'm walking towards Saigon Center. I want to check out the Pop Mart store. See if I can maybe pick up or find some Laboos or Crybabies or something. I mean, I don't need one. I already have the one that Trango gave me right here. There's a face here. So, let's see.
Everybody's talking about Christmas time.
Well, I picked up my first Labubus. I mean, I have a Labubu, but the first time I'm picking one up. Some quick sneaker shopping. I mean, I'm not really shopping, but I'm checking out what they have in store. Kobe's jars. Look at that. Alright, heading back to Kinn store. Yeah, Saigon. Pick my bags up. Book me a grab and head to the airport. And with that, the 2025 Vietnam trip comes to an end. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, you guys. I love you. Have a good December. See you soon. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oops. That stranger nod. Alright, brother.
Okay, see ya.
I'll see you soon.
Yeah,
See
next
you.
time.
Thanks again for everything, yeah? Yeah.
Take care, brother.
Yeah, bye. Alan, yeah. Airport, international.
You gonna go airport?
Yeah.
Yeah. International.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Well, last coffee in Ho Chi Minh at the airport. A cafe soda. Still warm. The ice needs to melt. Done with immigration and security. Picked up some coffee for Shravan and for myself. Now headed to the gate. Got another 2 hours. The drawbacks of coming early. Okay, not 2 hours, 1.5 hours. So I didn't do too bad for myself. Thank you. made it to Dubai, sleep deprived. I gotta catch up on a whole lot of sleep. But I made it out really quick because of the smart gates. Now we just gotta wait for the bags to arrive. I guess I have some time for a quick bio break.